Hey, welcome to US Mobile. My name is Anthony, and today I'll walk you through setting up your home phone. Let's jump in and get started. Inside the box, you'll find the ATEL home phone base, the antenna it comes with, a US Mobile SIM card, a power cord with an adapter, and a set of 3 AA batteries. First, let's insert the SIM card. Grab your US Mobile SIM card and pop out the Nano SIM. That's the smallest one. Remove the back cover of your device. Then, carefully lift the battery holder from the gap on the side. Insert the SIM card with the metal facing down into the slot. If you ever need to remove it, just press the SIM card gently inward and it'll pop right out. Now, time to install the batteries. Align and insert the 3 AA batteries into the battery holder that's inside the device. Once the batteries are in place, you can pop that battery cover back on. Add the antenna to boost your signal. Just twist off that rubber nub and then twist on the antenna. Remember, righty-tighty. Next, connect your device to power. Insert the power cord into the USB-C port on your device. Plug the other end into the wall adapter. Press and hold the power button for up to 10 seconds to turn the device on. You'll see the welcome screen on the display. Let's get your phone connected and start making calls. Plug one end of your telephone cord into either of the 2 ports on the back. Connect the other end of the cord right into your telephone. Once it's plugged in, there are 2 quick and easy ways to activate your service. You can give us a call and we'll help walk you through step by step. Or, to take care of it by yourself, just log in to usmobile.com, find the home phone on your dashboard, tap there, and follow the steps to complete your activation. Thanks for choosing US Mobile. Now you're all set and ready to make calls. I've been Anthony. Happy connecting.